How to fix eBay cannot print shipping label. First things first, you have to force a browser or app bypass. If you are using browser, you simply have to try to switch your web browser. Instead of Firefox or Safari, you can open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Web updates often temporarily break the label generation on specific browsers, so try switching browsers. And also enable desktop mode on your mobile device. You simply have to launch any web browser of your choice and then go ahead to the official website of eBay. Once you open the website, make sure to tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right, scroll down and make sure to turn this desktop site feature on. And then what you can also do is try to clear the cache by opening this drop-down menu or the website settings. From here, you can clear the cache of the browser or the web page to erase stuck or broken page data. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.